How to delete or deactivate your LinkedIn account. First of all, log into your account and click on your profile picture or the Me tab, then select Settings and Privacy. Next, go to the Account Preferences section. Scroll down to find the Account Management option. Here you can choose either Close Account to delete your LinkedIn account permanently or hibernate your account temporarily. If you choose Close Account, LinkedIn will ask you to select a reason for leaving and confirm your decision. Be aware that deleting your account permanently removes your profile, connections, endorsement, and all content. For temporary deactivation, LinkedIn allows you to hibernate your account while keeping your information intact. This option is useful if you want to take a break but may return later. After confirming your choice, follow the prompts and your account will either be deactivated or deleted. Remember to download any important data before closing your account if needed. Now you know how to delete or deactivate your LinkedIn account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more career tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.